There are many types of rotary electric machines, from small ones used in kitchen appliances to electric generators the size of a large family home. Those used in electric locomotives fall somewhere in between, size-wise, not maintenance-wise. But we are not talking just about those motors currently in use. Stored ones must be maintained as well. Insulation can be easily assessed by measuring resistance between the motor's connector pins and ground with the 1 gigaohm as a cutoff value between good and bad insulation. Generally speaking, results should be over 1 gigaohm. Anything lower can be problematic. Bad insulation is not just a safety hazard, but can basically stop a train in its tracks, which can be both extremely dangerous and costly. Therefore, before any such motor is again put in use, it must be thoroughly examined for visible signs of damage and any electrical issues like bad insulation. Windy and moist storage locations with various temperature extremes can quickly damage the insulation of even new motors, let alone those used for several years. That's all for now. Keep testing and stay safe. We invite you to like, subscribe, and share our videos.